Guys, so let's see how to fix iPhone storage full problem in your iPhone. So the very first fix is if there are any apps which you rarely use, just delete those apps. Okay, so let's say you are not really using this app, just try to locate those apps and delete those apps to save space. Now the next fix is just go to settings, and in the settings just scroll down and find photos. Okay, tap on photos. Now make sure this iCloud photos option is turned on. Okay, if it is not turned on, turn it on, and also make sure this optimize iPhone storage option is there. Now let's move to another fix, and that is just go to camera, tap on camera and settings, and tap on format and tap on most compatible. Okay, most compatible option will save the space when you take photos. So this is for future photos which you will take. Now let's move to the next fix, and that is just again go to settings home page, and in this just go to Safari, tap on Safari. Okay, scroll down and find clear history and website data, tap on it and tap on clear history and data. Okay, so this will also save some space. Okay, now let's move to the next fix. Again go to the settings home page and then go to messages. Okay, just go to messages, tap on messages, and now scroll down and find message history section, tap on keep messenger. Okay, and make sure it is selected to 30 days. Okay, and not 1 year and forever. Okay, so it should get automatically deleted. Now tap on it and it will give you an option to delete older messages. So tap on delete to delete older messages. Okay, now let's move to the next fix, and that is again go to settings and tap on your ID this time and tap on iCloud. Okay, and now in the iCloud just try to find out which section is the longest. So here photos is the longest, there is backup which is the second long, and the docs. Okay, so if you have a long photos section, so try to delete some videos, okay, from your phone, or which you don't use and you don't want to store in your phone, and try to remove those large sized video from your phone to remove this. Also what you have to do, just tap on your photos. Okay, and now tap on recently deleted options. Okay, now just delete these, just select them, just tap on delete all and delete from devices. So this will delete all the recently deleted options. Also tap on screenshots. Okay, select items, select all the items. Okay, and try to delete screenshots, because screenshots are mostly, you know, non-usefuls. So in this way, if you have a slow-mo video, you can clear it all. So, and if you can go to videos, and if you can find longer sized video, select them and delete them. So in this way you can clear up a lot of space. So that's it guys, please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.